Hello all, and welcome to another edition of our Retirement Cafe. Today I'm going to make Bob Benoit's Bodacious Burger Bash. In case you do not know who Bob Benoit is, he runs the farm stand down here in Providence on Admiral Street, down just beyond Walgreens. And everyone should go there and give him a try. Check out his fresh vegetables. He's there every summer, every Saturday. The first thing we're going to do is open up his recipe. I have 4 quarter-pound burger patties. We give them a nice egg bath. Seasoned breadcrumbs.
Just coat them all up.
Coat them all up. And then drop it into a nice hot pan. Cook for 5 minutes on each side. It's all right if they break up because it's going to be a stew when we're done.
That's right.
Take another one, put it into the eggs.
And so forth.
So forth, that's right. Maybe it's supposed to
So here
be
we go.
flipping them over.
Flipping them over.
I'm going to add 32 ounces of beef stock. 2 pouches of Lipton beefy soup mix. 1. And 1 of these packages of Lipton with mushrooms.
Ooh,
Lipton soup with mushrooms.
nice.
3 cups of water.
I'll measure it out.
Transfer the beef
Into a bigger pan.
into a pot here.
There we go.
Onions, peppers, a little bit of garlic. Going right into here. Now you see why the pot wasn't big enough.
Look at that. Oh yeah, you need a really good one.
Bella mushrooms and some asparagus tips.
Oh yeah, baby. That looks delicious. It's by itself.
Yes. Add that in
Oh my
here.
God, that looks delicious. Absolutely incredible. Stir it all up. Look at that.
To serve this meal over some mashed potatoes, they gotta be fresh mashed potatoes.
A little bit of almond milk. A bit of pepper. Not a lot of pepper. We use onion salt. Comes out very good.
Paprika.
Paprika. Mix it all up. Here we go. Look at the finished product.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh my God, that looks good.
Couple pieces of hamburger.
Right on top of the homemade mashed potato. Get all the veggies.
Okay, here goes nothing but Bob Benoit's Burger Bash. Bodacious Burger Bash. That is delicious. Now, everyone be sure to check in on Bob's food stand on Admiral Street, just beyond Walgreens, when this summer comes. He's a very nice guy, and he's got his girl there with him, little girl who's selling a fresh squeezed lemonade, different flavor added to it every week, and his boy is there too, helping him. They're a nice family.
The lemonade is out of this world, as well as the veggies. Everything is.
You can even get the spiked lemonade, but he'll have to sell that to you.
Yeah. That lemonade really is fabulous. Everything is. Bob, you do a great job.
Bye. Ciao.